Hi guys, this is a new video about TikTok, and right now we will show you how to change your TikTok username before 30 days. For example, if you have the notification that you don't have any permissions to manage your username before the selected date, so you can smoothly bypass this setting after repeating our tricks we showed today. So let's go to the watching and manage the date and time settings on your phone to bypass your TikTok app customizations. So let's go to the settings app on your device to change your date and time settings here. So first and foremost, let's tap on the general option, and here we can go to this date and time section. Click on it one time. So if the set automatically option is turned on your device, let's pick on this green toggle to disable it. And right now we have a cool option to manage the date of your device, so let's tap on it one time and let's choose another day. For example, if we have the restricted 30 days, let's choose, for example, this date to have some additional time for the TikTok. So let's go out from these general settings to save this new date. And right now we can check the result after going to the TikTok application. This is our additional channel. Let's update it one time. And let's tap on the edit profile button you can find on the profile page to change the username and to try to do it, because right now we will check if these settings will work. So let's tap on the edit button, and as you can see here we have the username option. Let's tap on the arrow opposite it. So right now let's change it by adding some, for example, number. Wait a minute, please. Yes, and we are able to correct our username successfully without any restrictions and additional notifications. So yes, well done. Let's tap on the save. Yes, set username. Voila! So perfect! Right now we have another username, and remember that if this video was useful and interesting, you can subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channel. So goodbye, good luck guys, bye bye!